All right, Lucas, tell me about your project here.
This is a automatic timer with an Arduino.
Arduino, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and why did you make this?
Because James asked me to do it, and sometimes the soldering iron will be the plug will the people will not unplug it.
Yeah.
So we need a automatic timer for turning off.
Yeah. So that there's not like a fire or something.
Yes.
Okay, can you run me through your different pieces here?
Here's two buttons for the green is for turning on and the red is for turning off.
Yep.
And there's two LED lights to show if it's working and some white. Yeah.
Yeah. And then what's this?
This is a relay for switching. Just for a switch.
Yeah, it works like a switch. Okay, let's plug it in and see how it works. So you plug in one side over here, and then I guess we're gonna use a light bulb for our test.
Okay, and the green button. If I press the green button, the light will turn on, and if I didn't press anything, it will turn off in 5 seconds. Yeah, but if I press red button, it will turn on. Yeah.
Okay, so it's 5 seconds right now, but how long will the timer be when we actually start using it?
We will try in 16 minutes. That means 3,600 seconds.
Okay, so 3,600 seconds or 1 hour,
Yeah.
it will turn off. So we got on, off, on, off. All right, great job, Lucas.